Good morning, and I have a lot of book updates. First of all, let me do something. Yeah. So I'm still reading this book that I'm reading from like weeks. Eight Rules of Love. Last day was Saturday, and I didn't read like even a word from this book because I was being lazy. But yeah, just like 50 pages more left in this book. I'll complete this hopefully next day on Monday. Tomorrow I'll complete this, and yes, this is my stand too. And apart from this, and today we are going for book shopping. Basically, एक stationery shopping होने वाली है mostly तो because last year around the same time, just on 23rd March last year, today is 22nd March. We did book shopping, and I'm still reading those books, and I realized that getting so many books at the same time is a disaster because then you kind of lose your interest into them. So it's better to get them in a limit like just 8 or 7. So I'm gonna be in that limit hopefully, and mostly I'll try to purchase more stationery, copies, diaries, and pens because these are the thing जो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाती हैं. So I need them more, and I'm really excited. Like book shopping really excites me, not because we are going for book shopping, because I'll get to watch and like just check so many books. And so yeah, we are going, me, my mama, and my brother, because he also wants to get some books. So three of us are going, and I'm really excited. It's almost 11 and we were planning to leave by this time, but we are going to get ready now, have some kind of food, and then we will leave. Now we are on our way back to home. It's almost like 3 p.m. and we have a chai to try. It's very tasty. Morning. It's next day, last day. We came back home, and I was tired because after so many days I walked like this much, and my legs were like paining. So I have my dinner, did some work, and then I just wrap up my day. And today is Monday, and I am here to just give you all like a little haul of whatever we have purchased. And this is the new setting I have done for my books. Um, Here are like my books that I have. It's all kind of mix of everything, the books I already have and the books I got new, and they are kind of there according to the height wise from there to there, and a small beautiful mirror of she shells in between. So that's the whole thing here happening. And I got around like 15 or 16 books last day, and now I have total 34 books collection. So happy. And last day when we went for book shopping, I have a very long list of books I want to purchase, books I want to read in my notes app, in my Pinterest. But I ended up even not purchasing any from that list because I think everyone is reading those books, and I usually add them in my list because I listen someone talking about that and I like their thoughts, and I was like, I want to read something new. I want to do my own little hunt for a book, and I want to read that, and I want to find about that by myself rather than reading what's already going on nowadays. Because there was Dolly Alderton book, there was Normal People by Sally Rooney, A Little Life, Arundhati Roy's a lot of books by Arundhati Roy. Mother Mary comes to me in a lot, but I was not interested to get any of them. So I purchased some little unusual and new titles that I found by myself. So let's start one by one. Let's start from this shelf, or I think let's start from here. So yeah, few books are my brother one because he is a big thing. Like he has a big thing in science and astronomy and astrophysics and everything. So he purchased a lot of book by Stephen Hawking and books on like few books on science. So the first one he got, I'm also gonna read them because even though I'm not a big fan of science books or science even in general, but I think it will be interesting to just get to know something. This is the first book, Black Holes by Stephen Hawking. It's actually the BBC Reith Lectures small collection. It's just like 50 pages, 63 pages. It's a very short, very handy book. You can keep it in your pocket and just read it while walking somewhere. So yeah, Black Holes by Stephen Hawking. It's basically about black holes, and I know a little bit about them, but I'm not a master in them. I'm gonna use this book as my mic holder. Another book that my brother got in his science is this. It's Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson. Maybe I'm butchering his name. This is the guy you would have probably like you probably would have seen him somewhere on your YouTube because he do a lot of things on BBC. So yeah, it's about astrophysics. It's for, I don't remember the price of this book, but it's for 50 rupees. Um, I also have to like add it because I have spent like almost 1 hour in my morning to just do this. So I don't want to ruin this. That's why I'm gonna also add it. Okay, now another thing. Another my brother got is A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking, another science book. It's from the Big Bang to black holes. Not a big in science, so I just can't tell you what this book is about, but it's again for like 80 or maybe 70 rupees. Yeah, it's for 100 rupees actually. So, yeah, another book he's got on science is again, one by Stephen Hawking is The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking, again about science. This book also has a movie on this, like this book also has a movie on Amazon Prime for 70 rupees. There, like in Daryaganj, Mailahat, you can get a lot of books for the like a lot. Sorry. Yeah, so we have other two unusual books too that I usually probably it's like something new my brother got, and they are comics. They are like manga comics. My brother got them. It's 100, like two for 100 rupees, 50 for each. It's they are not like in a number wise. They are just somewhere, and yeah. So the first one he got is My Hero Academia. It's volume 11. I have seen this series on Disney Plus Hotstar. So it's My Hero Academia volume 11. And I don't know, really, I haven't read any kind of comics ever in my life rather than Akbar Birbal and few like the Hindi one you got on stationery. And so I think it's going to be a new thing for me. And another one that he got is Demon Slayer. It's volume 7. So these are the two comics we got. Mm, it was a little collection of science and comics. Now let's talk about the books I purchased. Let's start with few other. So the first book I got is Learning to Love Myself by Alex Aubrey. I have saw this on Instagram, on Pinterest, and it's like you can read like one small quote or poem for yourself every day, and you can just write some notes here. It's second hand or third hand, and yeah, so it's for I will tell you price together. Another book that I got is yeah, it's a very spontaneous book I purchased. This is the first book I purchased there. I really enjoyed the synopsis, so I was like, let's get it. It's Pilgrimage by Ira Singh. Ira Singh is Indian author, and this book is about a woman. It's about from early to middle age, the accident she went through and how they impact her life. So it's about that. It's about its pilgrimage book is about that. I've never even listened this author's name, but I think the synopsis really made me excited and to just read it. So I think that's why I'm gonna get into this. This book is in like this book is from 2014 or somewhere, or maybe it's about 2017 or 18. Not too much, just like 150 pages, short books. A lot of books that I got this time are mostly short books. So yeah, this is also a second hand book. Another book that I got with this is I'm a like I have never read children illustrated book ever in my life. I have always read the Akbar Birbal thing, so I really wanted to get a children book. So I got this Danny, the Champion of the World by Roald Dahl. So I think it will be a easy read to just kind of enjoy. It's about a boy and maybe about the parents, and I don't know, but I think I really got interested, so I got these. These three books are for 100 rupees. They were selling three for 100 rupees, so we get these. All are second hand. Yeah. Another few that I got is, let's start one by one. Let's talk with this book, Tuesdays with Maury by Mitch Albom. I don't even know what this book is about, but I was really interested to just read this book because I just needed something helpful. I just needed something where lessons are in a story form and you can just learn them, and you go through them like a story and you learn rather than going through a non-fiction. That's why I got Tuesdays with Maury. And another part was this: I was not looking to purchase a book that I've always listened about, but I was not able to resist myself from purchasing this, so I ended up choosing Tuesdays with Maury by Mitch Albom. It's 400 rupees. Another book that I got is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's for 100 rupees again. It's basically probably a child and a lawyer drama kind of book, maybe from the synopsis. I can't say much. I don't have much knowledge about this book, but I have listened about this book in a movie, and really wanted to try this. That's why I got To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Another one book that I got is um another one book that I got is this. I was forgetting this book. It's Never Let Me Go by Kazuo Ishiguro. and I don't really know about this book, but people love this, and I have listened Kazuo Ishiguro's name, and I was really interested to get something, so I got this book. It's for 100 rupees again. I got this with To Kill a Mockingbird, so these two for 200 rupees. Another few books that I got is, um at one place they have a large collection of classics, Wordsworth classic. They were selling Jane Austen, they were selling Charles Dickens and Fyodor Dostoevsky, White Knights and everything, but I ended up not purchasing them because I knew maybe I will not start with something good, and I'll ended up just hating those authors probably, or I will not read them and just thinking that it's too hard for me. That's why I wanted to start with something really simple, very simple, short classics and old books. That's why I got few very short books. These all are very short, and the another one I have, they are also very short. So yeah, so I got this, A Midsummer Night Dream by William Shakespeare. I have read William Shakespeare few plays, fragments, and everyone know Romeo Juliet, but I really wanted to try something else from Romeo Juliet to start my journey with William Shakespeare. So I ended up purchasing this, A Midnight Summer Dream. I don't really know what this book is about, but I'm really excited to get into this. The backside says that it's a delightful mixture of comedy, poetry, and satire, silkfully woven into a satisfying whole. Really excited to just like 50, 70 pages. So yeah, it's for 100 rupees. Another two books that I got, they are like so much old books in terms of their condition, but they are worthy for their price. So the first book I got is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. And I got this book for just like 60 rupees. And the pages are like so much yellow. I think this is what lovely about getting second hand or third hand book, because they're kind of, they are coming from someone else. They have a own story with themselves rather than just the inside thing done by author. They are coming from different houses, from different kind of persons going through them. Sometime maybe someone has read them, maybe someone has even hasn't even touched them. So it's kind of a different kind of story when you have a second hand book. So it's basically a book about a fisherman and how he understand natures. So really excited. Just like 50, it's just like 100 pages. Another one that I got is a very spontaneous purchase. I really like the name and synopsis, so I ended up getting this. It's Anchored in Love, The Carter Family Story by Michael Orgel. It's basically a true story of a family who really got exploded to the fame because of the music they created. How it's basically their life's autobiography, and it has some real pictures of the family, some illustrated real pictures of the family, and the whole story of them. It's just like 120 pages book, so it's very short. So yeah, these are the short books. These are just like 9 books I got for myself. Very short and very handy books. Just few are just like these three are a little chunky, but other than that, every is very short because I really wanted to purchase in a limit, so I did that. So I'll read them and then I'll go back to the getting books thing and I'll purchase something new. Okay, so let's start with stationery haul. I got my glares because I was not able to see anything. Let's start with small stationery. So the first thing we got is these sticky notes pad. They are for 10 rupees each. This one packet has 100 sticky notes and this one has 80 sticky notes. In my local area, I get these 80 pack, this 100 rupees sticky notes pack for 30 or 35 rupees. So they are worthy. So I got these two sticky notepads. They were also selling sticky tabs, but I was not interested to get them because I just can't make reading hard for myself just because I want to annotate and I want to add a sticky tab everywhere I annotate something. That's why I ended up not getting any kind of sticky tabs. But yeah, other than that, I got two highlighters. These are for 16 rupees each, neon, a neon green, and this pink one, 16 for each, so it's basically 32 rupees. Another one that I got is this double-sided tape, this much big spiral, for just 20 rupees because we needed double-sided tape a lot. Another one thing that I got is this Link Skylar pen. This is like 10 quantity or slicer, and it's for 80 rupees because blue pen is something that I mostly use. That's why I got this blue pen one. Now there is a lot of notebooks going on. The first thing that I got in notebook is this small diary kind of thing. I really needed this because I always end up adding my ideas and writing my ideas and content ideas in my notes, and then I kind of forget them, and they keep like just they just be there until I will not use my notes app next time. So that's why I needed a small notebook where I can add little things. I do have one notebook still. Um, it's this. I do have this. It's going to be filled very soon. That's why I got another one too. It's for 30 rupees. I'm going to use it like a commonplace small notebook. I can add everything. Yeah. Another thing that I got is my diaries because my these two diaries that I have, they are going to be filled very soon. This is the media journal one. This will go till May, but this journal one, hopefully, it will be filled. Hopefully, it will end by April. It's just like this page is remaining. That's why I really wanted diaries. So I ended up getting these two diaries. They are for 100 rupees, like two for 100 rupees. And I didn't need anything with calendar because my journal have already calendar and I will use the same for calendar. So I wanted something without calendar because calendar is kind of just is going to like eat space where I can write. So I ended up purchasing these notebook. It has 250 pages in A5 size and it's multicolored. Yes, the pages are multicolored from inside. I was kind of hesitating at first, but then I was like, then the mom was like, get it. It will be like interesting to kind of color code what you are writing. So yeah, that's why I got these two. One for my personal journaling, one for media journal. Another thing that we got is my brother is again, he has a big thing going with sketching, so that's why we got one big sketching pad kind of notebook for him. It's plain from inside, nothing like lined. It's for 100 rupees or 60 rupees. Actually, it's for 100 rupees and it has so many pages in it. It's this chunky, so he will use this with his sketching. Another few things that we got is this pack of 4 notebooks and rough register for my brother because he's entering into a more bigger class and he needs some more rough register stuff. So we got this for 160 rupees. Yeah, 4 register for 160 rupees for him. Another thing that we got is for mine. It's for me. It's this very chunky spiral notebook. It's this chunky for me. I have a one kind of a mini planner where I plan and write everything regarding my content, my YouTube, my personal stuff that I do, my creative projects, my studio things. Everything goes into this one book and it's going to be filled very soon. It's just like this much. That's why I needed something for like whole year and I didn't want to go with another planner or another thing that will be filled in just like few days. That's why I ended up getting a whole notebook where I can make my to-do list, where I can write down, where I can plan everything. And it's this chunky. It will go for like more than 1 year. So that's why I got this. This is for 100 rupees. So this is the quick stationery things we have purchased. They were also selling sticker sheets, but I was not interested in getting them. That's why I just got these few things. We also got something for like house. We got these small photo frames. It's Buddhaji one. It's for 70 rupees and we really wanted like 3 or 4, so we were planning to add these photo frames there or in our second room, but we only get one like this good. Another like the other options that we were getting, they're like Superman, Monkey D. Luffy, Shin Chan and cartoon kind of things and things We just got this another poster that says trust your hopes, not your fears. So we just got these two things other than that. And yeah, it was the whole stationery and book shopping haul. And last day we were also planning to have some delicious food because Delhi Chair has the most delicious food for me in the world. But we ended up getting nothing because everyone is facing LPG issues currently. So most of the shops were closed, and also because of the Eid, because the last day was second day of Eid. So most of the shops were closed because of Eid, and most were closed because of the LPG shortage. But the last day was very good, and while coming back home, the auto rickshaw uncle, um, he was very sweet. He was very lovely because when we sat down in his auto, he got us some chai, and the chai was Nagori chai, and the chai was lovely, delicious. I fall in love with that chai. That chai was a kind of chai where कि इसमें चाय पत्ती थोड़ी सी ज्यादा है, but it's not like ruining your taste. It's kind of adding into that taste. So I really love Nagori chai. I was hoping to get some masala lassi, but they didn't have that. And I am a masala lassi person. I can't have meathi lassi, so that was also the reason. But we had Nagori chai, and while coming back home, he was also from Chandni Chowk, very near place to Delhi Chai, and my mother is from Jama Masjid. My brothers. My mother's grandparents and my nanu, they belong from Jama Masjid. My mother has like spent a lot of her childhood time in Jama Masjid, so they both were kind of bonding. They both were telling the uncle was telling his childhood days. He was telling us how this whole area used to look, and about Yamuna, about everything, and he was just telling us some good old kisse. And my mother also, because my mom is from Jama Masjid, and Jama Masjid has a very special place in my heart because even from when I was a very little child, we used to go masjid, and it's been years मैं नहीं गई हूँ, so I'm really excited to go there very soon. I love Delhi chai food. Like Delhi chai, like old Delhi has a kind of personality that nothing can beat. Old Delhi, it will just like hit on your heart, and Old Delhi has a very special place in my heart. I even don't love New Delhi that much, but Old Delhi is very special to me. The areas, the food, and basically when you're familiar with the people, when you're familiar with the food Old Delhi has, when you're familiar with the every market, and I think the place you just get a very special place in your heart because this was my first time when I was shooting a vlog while going out of my house, and this was like first kind of travel kind of vlog I make. So I hope you all have enjoyed this. I hope you all have liked this. If I'm not good with this, sorry for that. I'll try to like build up my more skills, and I will try to own my skills better in terms of video making and video editing and everything, and shooting in public and everything. But I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I hope you all have liked. I hope you all have loved the book I got. And if you have any kind of thoughts about these books, you can share that with me in my comment box because I'll have idea of what I'm getting into. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll meet you in my next one, and yeah.